What's going on, guys? It's Shifty Hacker, and today I'm going to give you guys an updated studio tour slash room tour. Now that I have moved out of Idaho, I did not like Idaho very much, so I decided to move out and come back home for a little bit, stay with my parents. And I'm currently in the process of moving, so don't mind all the clutter or anything like that. So yeah, let's get into it. Alrighty, and we are back with the studio tour. So really quick, this setup might look familiar because it is the exact same setup I have in Idaho. So had in Idaho, so got the fan in the window, got all my stuff up here, got some Funko Pops. We got some more Funko Pops over here. I really like them, all my stuff. We're gonna start on this side of the room. Over here, I have my GPU mining rig, so you guys can see. I've got a Aorus Z590, a Ryzen 7 2700X, 1070, and a 1650. All mining yokes over it right now. We got my boots. We've got all my metals, all my other stuff. We've got my green screen. I've got this green screen, which, let's zoom out real quick, does this. And it moves. It's on this little string, and I can move it along my room. That's how I set it up in the stream. And then I have this one over here because it is the background, because it's my webcam facing. So really quick, we got a Samsung 1920 by 1080 monitor here, 60 hertz. My main monitor, 32-inch LG Ultra Gear, some bunch of numbers. 165 hertz, 1440. Then my vertical Dell monitor here. Bought this one at a garage sale. We got the PC. We got RTX 3080, Ryzen 9 5900X, 64 gigs of RAM. In there, we've got my AIO. It's a 280mm Arctic. I've got my little fan here to keep me cool. I've got 3 ring lights set up for my lighting. Logitech G512, Logitech G502 Hero. Shout out to Gutsy Aiden for sending me this mouse pad. I've got a wireless charger over there, my speakers, AirPods, you know, the Stream Deck. We got the whole works in here, Spotify, all that stuff. Audio Technica headphones, along with my little Walmart Serta chair that my cats have gotten into. Audio Technica IT 2020 with a little cheap filter on it, on a shock mount. And then I've got my lighting down here to light up my green screen. I've got all this stuff. Like I said, I'm in the process of moving. My speaker, my laptop, bigger Funko Pop that I have, my side of the room, wireless charger, my fan, my Lego, all that, the bed, my Cowboys pillow, my lady's side of the bed. She's got all of her stuff there. And then I've got these little RGB strips that went all the way around the room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this really quick little studio tour. I will be doing a little bit more as I go along, do a little bit of updates, do a couple more things to the computer, get a little bit bigger of a desk once I get out of this place. But yeah, I appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.